If you need to know how to split and trim audio in Audacity, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, so let's dive in. So to go ahead and split your audio file is really simple. What you're going to do here is just go on to Audacity. You got your audio file here, and there's a few things you need to know. All right, let's go ahead and click on a space that we want to split it at. Let's click right over here. Now you can see there's a line here, and you can use your keyboard and use Control I, and that will split it. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll see now that it is split, and the indication of the split you can see is the name is at the beginning of this file as well as this section over here. So to go ahead and move it now is easy. You go up to the very top, you'll see the little hand icon, click down and you can move it up and down. One of the other things that you can do here, let's say that I don't want to split it there. Let's say I'm listening to it and I'd like to just shift a little bit left and right in this audio track. You can use your keyboard, the left arrow and the right arrow, just by going like this. And you can shimmy that very small increments, and you can split it in a very precise spot. So let's go over like this, and let's just take the sound wave here, Control I. Let's go and shimmy it over. Control I, you've got now two splits. Fantastic.